about generational differences and what you can do about it. It's big. And over the years, we have huge generational differences in our schools. Age differences, who raised you, what you experienced in school, what was going on globally in the world while you were growing up and, learning how to be an adult. And so think about that. I come from a different generation, and the parents who are taking care of the kids that I teach come from a different generation, and then they are in a different generation. So I'm just going to roll through them really quickly for you so you can kind of wrap your head around the thought process. The only way we're going to not fight wanting it to be the way it should be when I was a kid is to be aware of these generations. So real quickly, think about it. It's the greatest generation, to the silent generation, to the baby boomers, to the Gen X, to the millennials, to the Gen Zs, to the alphas, and now the betas are being born. That's a lot of generations. And at any moment, you could be in a situation with all of those generations. And so remember, if the kids are behaving differently, that kind of blows your mind, they were raised by a different generation than you are. And that's the only thing you can do is be aware of that and go, aha, I know why they do it that way. Because that's how their parents were raised. It's different. We didn't have the media. We didn't have the stuff that's going on right now. It's not bad. It's not horrible. It just is a different generation. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.